one for my duty actual Hey guys, I'm Joy and I'm back for another video, and today I'm going to share with you guys a haul that I got from HBC and from NOVO. And after a long time I shopped at NOVO again because I was shopping when I was still a student there, because the things there are freaking so affordable. And yeah, I experienced shopping there again last Sunday when I went out after my class. So let's start with the things that I got from HBC first. The first thing that I got from HBC is of course my favorite moisturizer, the Eye White Korea Whitening Vita Aqua Moisturizer. And the next one are these two bad girls, the Eye White Korea Facial Wash Whitening Vita again. And I want to try this too because I've heard a lot of reviews about this, and I think this will work on me. I hope so. So yeah, I hope I will get a breakout. And another one that I got from HBC is this eyebrow shaver tinkle, which is that looks like this. Let's open this one. Just a very, very ordinary eyebrow shaver. So, and it's in turquoise, I guess, or blue-green, like that. The last one that I got from HBC is this Color Trends nail polish in the shade Gloomy Damsel. Damsel, is that how you pronounce that word? So yeah, and it looks like, I haven't used it yet, and it's kind of like a reddish plum, like that. So that's all that I got from HBC. And now let's proceed with the things that I got from NOVO, and these are the things that I got from there. And let's start first with the two nail polishes. I went to NOVO first and I saw these two nail polishes, and I got the Sassy Colors, which is a smaller one, in the shade Frosted Iced Mocha. So it looks like a mocha with a little bit of glitter, and this Sassy Colors nail polish in gold glitter. So I got these two, and when I went to HBC, I cannot regret buying this one because the Sassy nail colors in Gloomy Damsel is a lot more beautiful like that. So anyways, it's already here. The next one that I got is this gold frame, which is 5 by 7 inches, and I'm going to use, I'm sorry if it's blinding you, and I'm going to use this in my next DIY video for February, so watch out for that video. It's for my room decor, Valentine room decor, I mean. So yeah, I only got this for only 40 pesos, I think. So everything that I got from NOVO are less than 100, and the most expensive one will be an 80 pesos na price. The next one that I got from NOVO are these two pink toothbrush holders, and yeah, it looks like this. And actually I already put some toothbrushes here, which it can accommodate 3 or 4 toothbrushes with a toothpaste, and this one is for 1 toothbrush only. So I intend to use this for my duty emergency kit, something like that, and this one is for my travel. So that's the one. And the next one is this basket that I'm going to put all my not my toiletries, but my lotions, my perfumes, like that. And look how freaking cute is this, like that. So it has a flowery patterns right there, and it's a white basket, and it complements all colors. So yeah, and it's so affordable, but I can't remember how much is this, and because I lost my receipt. So yeah, that's it. And the next one that I got is this rubber mat or bath mat for my bathroom, because in my bathroom my pamangkin is always taking her bath there, and I always get scared that she might fall, and my floor is so slippery. So I bought this one because yeah, I think this is cute and it might help in preventing some fall or slides. So yeah, The last one that I got from Novo is this basket. Look how cute is this. This is similar with the basket that I got, and this one I intend to put this beside my bed. This part here, I will be putting my chargers, my camera charger, my phone chargers, my cords and everything, so that it will be easier for me to grab and just plug it on my in the plug in the socket. So yeah, and look at the design, you guys. This is so freaking cute like that. So yeah, I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera because I'm looking at the viewfinder right now. So yeah, this is just, I think, 75 like that. So if you want to see cute things, like chic things, just go to Novo and they have a lot of cute things there. So those are the things that I got from Novo. Of course, my favorite store, HBC. So I hope you guys will stick around, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.